Looking for the perfect pan to whip up a quick grilled cheese or a small breakfast without the hassle? The T-fal 6.5-inch mini-cheese griddle might just be what you need. Designed specifically for single servings, this compact skillet offers a superior non-stick interior and exterior that makes cooking and cleaning a breeze. Whether you're making a simple sandwich or frying eggs, it ensures healthy results with minimal oil or fat, helping you keep meals light and delicious. I picked up this mini griddle as a Christmas gift for my wife, replacing our old, scratched skillet that was starting to flake. She loves her grilled cheese sandwiches, and I wanted something safer and more reliable. The difference was clear from the first use. The nonstick coating truly works, nothing sticks, and cleanup takes seconds. Plus, the aluminum construction means it heats evenly and quickly, so there's no waiting around. When you turn off the burner, it cools down fast, which is a real plus because you don't have to wait long before washing it. Just avoid plunging it into cold water too soon to keep the pan in shape. If you're someone who enjoys quick, fuss-free meals for one, this mini griddle is worth a look. It's compact enough to fit into any kitchen setup, dishwasher safe for easy cleanup, and built to last. The fast, even heating means your food cooks perfectly every time without hot spots. Ready to upgrade your solo cooking routine? Try the T-fal Mini-Cheese Griddle when you're ready. It's a simple change that can make a noticeable difference in your kitchen.